Welcome back. I'm Christy, and it is time to get started with another lesson. We've learned to move our sprites, turn, and change direction of the movement. But what if we wanted our sprite to face another direction? Any ideas? Just go ahead, raise your hand if you know the answer. Julia, in Hong Kong. Yes, we would rotate our sprite. Rotation is turning an object to face a different direction. Direction is all about which way an object is facing. Is it facing up, down, left, right? It could also be dancing diagonally in any direction. But how do we tell the computer how far to rotate or in what direction to rotate? We'd have to give it a number or value because, well, that's what computers understand. The number is called a degree. And a long time ago, a very smart Greek astronomer, Hipparchus, decided that there would be 360 degrees in a circle. Thank you, Hipparchus. In Scratch, you tell the sprite how far to rotate using degrees. So let's say our sprite is facing to the right, like this. If we wanted to rotate the sprite in a full circle and come back to the same position, how many degrees would we need to rotate it? 360. Yes, that is right, because there are 360 degrees in a full circle. And if we wanted it to face the opposite direction, how many degrees is that? 180. Correct, because that would be half a circle, or half of 360. All right, here's another example. What do you think will happen when we execute this code? What's going to happen in this example? We covered a lot today. Nice work. Oh, now go ask mom or dad who Hipparchus was. I bet they don't know, but you do. See you soon.